Let's look at some of the terms we talked about in this particular lesson. MD5, remember that's the Message Digest Algorithm version 5. It's a hash function that creates a 128-bit hash value and used by BGP to authenticate neighbor messages, much as it has been in EIGRP and OSPF. Route summarization is the process of taking a larger number of contiguous networks and expressing them in a reduced form. Remember the 192.168.1.0 through the 15.0 being able to be summarized in a single aspect. Route filtering is the process of removing routes selectively from the routing table or a routing process. ASPath prepending, which we just mentioned sort of in passing, is manually configuring a longer ASPath attribute for certain routes or paths to make them less desirable. Remember in BGP, shorter ASPath is preferred over a longer ASPath. Prefix list is similar to access list in terms of filtering, but with the ability to specify prefix and mask to be able to cover a number range of addresses. And then peer groups are a common set of configuration parameters for BGP for a group of eBGP or iBGP speakers. So what did we go over? We covered BGP authentication between neighbors, default routes, route summarization using the aggregate address command, which could include no summary to suppress addresses, more specific, route filtering functionality, and BGP peer groups. We have much more to cover in BGP in our next lesson, and we'll look forward to talking to you then.